take a breath. That's why I teach something called stop, think, and process. It means that everything that comes at you, you need to stop, think about it, process it, before you act or do or say anything. One of the best things we can do in dealing with some of the behavior issues in our classrooms and in our school is to stop, think, and process, the STP model. I put the old STP model sign right on my classroom wall. Because it says to me, should I say anything at all at this moment? We tend to think that we have to deal with behaviors immediately, and we don't. We have the right to stop, think, and process before we move or before we say. And just relaxing in that moment and saying, stop, think, process, take a breath. Nope, not going to respond to what that kid just said. Not going to respond to what I just saw. I'm going to think of a way to respond to it that I might get a better result. But if I don't do the stop, think, process model, I might respond to it and get a bad result. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.